I almost went the road just disappears right here. Look at that.
It's funny. Like, what was it?
There's the landslide. Whew. So we tried going on an adventure. It didn't work so good. We hit the end of the road. Shirts off. We found the real trail. And we're not going to go to Sawmill Peak because that's Sawmill Peak over there. And we're walking this way. But look at that view. It's pretty dope. Not too shabby. Basically, lesson learned, always take the road more traveled, as our here would say. Right, Gary?
Yep.
Look at that! Hi, my battery's about to die. I should probably just replace it before it doesn't like adjust the shutter speed. I made it back home. Had a fun little adventure. Didn't quite make it where we wanted to, but you know, life isn't perfect. But it was still fun. And found some places that I've never been to before and saw some cool views. And I found where we need to go to next time. So, you know, next time's going to be good. If you like the video, subscribe, like. If you didn't, thumbs down because I suck. Just kidding. Don't do that. Like it. All right. Peace.